Welcome back. Passive euthanasia or mercy killing needs a comprehensive examination as there is no authoritative judicial pronouncement on the issue. The Supreme Court on Wednesday issued a notice to all the states and union territories on a plea for legalizing passive euthanasia filed by an NGO. States will have to reply in 8 weeks.
The issue of the validity of what is called a living will and related to that the issue of euthanasia was heard by a constitution bench of the Supreme Court. The issue is whether a person who has been afflicted by an illness, whether he has a right to give an advanced directive or leave a will that he should not be kept alive.
The Supreme Court has appointed former Solicitor General T.R. Andhyarujina as amicus curiae to assist it in the case relating to legalizing euthanasia. The issue has been raised in a plea filed by a NGO Common Cause that a person who is afflicted with a terminal disease should be given relief from agony by withdrawing artificial medical support provided to him. Bureau Report Prudent.
Sirsai villagers are agitated with the electricity department due to frequent power breakdowns. The high-tension cable of 110 kV breaks frequently, leading to short circuits in their houses following cable breakdowns. This is causing huge property loss to the villagers. Authorities haven't addressed this problem yet despite several complaints.
परत आता काल घटना घडली आणि कोण जर हांगा जर त्या वेळार कोण लोक बी आसता तेंचेर पडटा जाल्यार दुःखद घटना घडटा आसली म्हणून म्हाका सांगता आनी पावसा पयलीं मेंटेनन्स सारकें जायना हांगा पावसा पयलीं मेंटेनन्स सारकें जाय जंपर इम्पर सगळे स्पार्क जातात आनी ते जळोन जळोन मागीर ते तुटतात कोण लक्ष दिनात हांगा सारके तेंच्यांनी येवन ताबडतोब रिपेर करपाक जाय मेंटेनन्स करपाक जाय
आमी हे फाटल्या 19 तारखेक अशीच भायर तुटली इमिजिएटली तांकां रिटर्न दिले व्हरोन मागीर ते येवन गेले आनी केले ते परत आमी तांकां लेटर दिलें तेच्या बद्दल कितें तरी हांगा एक खांबो उबो करा कित्याक लोक वचपी आनी खुबशे प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हणून लोक खूब देवस्थानाक खूब लोक येतात तेन्ना कितें जावचें ना म्हणून ते मिनिस्टर पर्यंत आमी हेचो सांगलेलें पूण ते करता म्हणून आतां फाटल्या वर्सा करता म्हणून अजून कांय जावंक ना करपाची आसा तयारी इतलें आमी आयकलां तेंचे ते कोटेशन बी पास जाला म्हणून करपाचें आसा दुसरें आतां सकाळी फुडें ही वायर तुटली म्हणून तांकां रिपोर्ट केल्या बरोबर ते येयलो तो इंजिनियर आतां तुमच्या फुड्यान कितें जाता ते ताळे लायले आनी हें केलां आनी गेला आमच्या उलोवपाक काय ताका विचारलें कितें जाल्यार तो उलोवपाक काय ना ग्लास बंद केले आनी वचपाक लागलो.
Cable breakdowns led to short circuit damaging electronic equipments.
टीव्ही बी सगळे फ्रीज बी हालताले सगळे लायट हे जाल्या बरोबर वायर तुटल्या बरोबर पंखे जळ्या टीव्ही वयता वार्षिक टीव्ही वयता सगळ्यांची टीव्ही वयता चालूच आसा हे कितें ना कितें कोण हे करिना तांकां चौकशी बी.
Local executive engineer says they will sort out the problem.
आता हे आमी तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरच सांगला जंपर आमी आपण दोग जाणांक कॉन्टॅक्ट केले आमी एकटो तो रेग्युलर करता तो मातसो बिझी आहा हांगा एक पॉवर ग्रीडच्या मनशांक घेवन थोडे आमी ट्राय करता परत.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Transforming lives for better tomorrow. With this aim, Konkan Development Society distributed essential school stationery to the marginalized school children from Zuari Nagar slums. The non-governmental organization works with an objective to provide education to non-school to get into formal schools.
Many corporate houses support this cause. For the academic year 2014-15, a German company with their base in Goa has joined hands with the Konkan Development Society in helping to reach out these children.
But it's not using it. And the highest potential, the biggest asset of this country are their people. Our youth children in the future are the other generation who is running the country at the moment. But there are always rights and responsibilities. And some of the responsibilities also to learn to protect the environment, to protect the water, to make sure we don't have sewage, to make sure we have indeed enough toilets everywhere. This is still a big problem. And this happens now. If we don't teach them, after that it's too late. So I'm very happy to be part of this. And whenever you need me, Raza, and all the others, please call on me. I will be happy to help.
Dishant Parab for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.